Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Talent into Assets, a place to learn valuable skills that is guaranteed to generate a side income from the comfort of your homes. If you are up to it, join us by subscribing to this channel. I know it has been a while since I published a new video due to a major setback in one of my online business, and it hit me so hard and getting up again was not easy for me. So I took my time to heal. I hope I did not disappoint you guys by not showing up. I will discuss about that in another video, but today's video is a continuation of this video. If you have watched that video, I promise to show you the little advanced way of creating a unique masking frames for your Zazzle stores. So I am fulfilling my promise now that you can create amazing masking frames as far as your creativity could go. Here is what we will do. I don't want to take much of your time watching me create this type of frames. Instead, I will show you the techniques how I created these types of frames in order for you to be able to create your own frames for your future endeavors. With the methods that I am about to show you, you can create products like this that I found to show you as a reference in Zazzle Marketplace. As a side note, please do not copy someone else's work. Come up with fresh and new ideas. You can showcase your work in this way. So let's begin. And by now, I think you know I use Inkscape to design and edit my products. If you don't have Inkscape on your computer, go ahead and install that in your computer. It is a free and powerful tool. To start with, we need to open a new document. If you are planning to use a reference image to work with, now is the time to import those images or create or type if it is text-based. By reference, I mean, for instance, I want to create a photo collage for newlyweds to remember their love journey leading to their wedding day. So my plan is to use the word love as a reference image to create the masking elements for my photo collage. This person, as you can see, they use a map of Texas to create the collage. The other person used the heart shape. So you get when I say the reference image. Now you decide how you want to partition the image to create a unique masking frames that will serve you as the photo collage placeholders. To create the frames, we need to use a pen tool to create the shapes for masking elements. If you have not used before a pen tool, it's very simple to use. Select the pen tool on the sidebar. Then this is how we do. Basically, what we will do is to trace over an image. Click on any starting point and keep clicking in every turn or corners until you reached the starting point. When you reach the starting point and you put the pen over this square, let me make it a little bigger, it turned red. That means if you click there, you will be able to make the desired shape you have in mind or close to what you have in your reference image. As you can see, I created a square shape for the first masking frame on the letter L, but when you see closely, the font I selected has a curve to it. So to fix that, you need to use this edit by node tool and perfectly shape anything as it's supposed to look. When the line turned blue on your picture, it turns blue. Then by double clicking, you can add a new node on the line to create that perfect shape, or use the top bar here to do all sorts of things. But for now, we will be able to achieve a perfect result by just using this method. So for the demonstration purpose, I will separate this letter L into 3 parts, and I will show you how to export and create the masking on a product from Zazzle Marketplace. Now I have created all the 3 masking elements for the letter L. Now is the time to export this into my computer. To export, there are 2 things you need to be careful about. The first is when you are exporting, make sure you select each element by its own. No overlap shouldn't be happening. If you overlap it, it will export with the overlap image into your computer. So when you are trying to design, it doesn't look good. So you have to go back and do that. So to avoid those kind of back and forth movement, it is better to do it in the first place the right way. So the second is, make sure you need to export it as a plain SVG, not PNG or Inkscape SVG. So it has to be plain SVG. It is very important to watch these 2 things if these methods work for you. Then create a designated folder for your project by clicking this folder icon, and give a name for your element for you to remember to know what is what when you are uploading these elements into your Zazzle design place. Now, congratulations, you have created this and successfully exported the unique masking frames for your product. The next step would be to create the product itself. To do that, go to your shop that you want to create the product and hit create and select a product. Then you will be able to be redirected to the design tool, and the design tool in the design tool you will upload the masking elements, and after you upload them into the design element, you need to adjust the size to fit the design area as well as the other elements in the set. For example, these 3 elements has to be adjusted together. Once you are happy with the placement, bring a sample image to your folder into the design area one by one. And before masking it, make sure to make the photo as a template object. Then adjust the size and put it under the frame. And make sure the picture is bigger than the frame. When you are happy with the placement, select both the picture and the frame together, and you will see this mask button activated now, and click that. You should be able to place the image in the masking frame like this. Then repeat the process until you are done with the whole project, and check everything is placed as you want it. When you are done, click done. Then you will be able to be taken to the product page, and you will be able to list your template product for sale. Here you have it. Thank you for watching. If you tried this method, let me know how it goes in the comment below, and if you have something that is unclear about anything, I will be happy to help you with your questions. And also, if you have other things you would like me to show you, and let me know in the comment below. Bye for now. Happy creating.